In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A21 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A21 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the dialer screen here, and you're going to type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. You will need to write down this top number here, and you're going to need it later on in the process. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome, and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're going to fill out a few prompts. First is the manufacturer, which is Samsung. Next is going to be the model, so look for Galaxy A21. Right here. Click Unlock Now. Now on the next screen, it's going to ask some questions about what country you purchased the phone in and what carrier you purchased the phone from as well. So right here, we purchased the phone in the United States, and we bought the phone from T-Mobile. Click Next. Now on this last screen here, you will need to enter contact information of where you want the unlocking pin and instructions sent to right here. You'll need to enter that IMEI that we got in the first step of the video and a contact phone number. Here you'll find the price of what it will cost to unlock it. They always give you a discount, so that's going to be your out the door price. And then the turnaround time is anywhere from 1 day to 10 days for the email with the final instructions and your unlocking pin. Now keep in mind the process does vary, and a lot of times it happens a lot quicker, but they always tend to inflate these times a bit. Now one more thing to point out, you will find a Can We Talk icon here, and at the top of the screen you'll find a toll-free phone number and a number you can text. So if you ever have any issues with finishing up unlocking your phone, you can go on their website and speak to someone live to finish the process or help you through the process. So keep that in mind. Now, when you're ready, you're going to click Order Now, check out with a credit card, and then you're going to wait for that email with the final instructions. Now, unlocking phones does vary from time to time, the process, so you want to wait for that email to get the final steps on what you need to do. What we're going to do is show you, once you get that email, the first thing you'll need to do, which is you'll need to take out your SIM card and put in the SIM card of the service you're trying to use. So I'm going to use my SIM tool I have in the box here. If you can't find yours, get a paper clip and open it up and just push it in like that to take out the SIM tray. From here, we're going to put in our Cricket SIM card. And then once we enter the SIM card, the phone should ask you to restart the phone. So you're going to go ahead and do the restart. There it is. Sometimes it will ask you to restart the phone, sometimes it won't, so keep that in mind. And then for this last step, you're going to refer to the email from the unlocking company with the final instructions to finish your unlock. So again, if you run into any problems, just go back to that website and just do the Can We Talk for web support, or call that number or text that number to get assistance. And the website has a money back guarantee, so if for whatever reason they can't unlock it, you will get your money back. So anyway, guys, hope you did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.